Hi, you watching your favorite YouTube channel, Learning Digital. Here we learn digital world things, so subscribe this channel for more digital world videos. In this task we will learn how to make changes to permalinks on the website blog and pages. First, let's check out SEO-friendly URL structures or permalinks. We want to make sure that the website URLs contain words that are easy to read for search engines. You should already be logged in with your website loaded. If you have not logged in and loaded your website editor, log into your Wordpress account and load your website. Let's first shorten the URL or set a slug at the end portion of your blog post URL for a WordPress blog post. Navigate to a blog post by opening it in the WordPress editor. Click on Posts. We will edit this post. You'll find the slug field in the document editor pane to the left. Document. The slug is also known as the permalink. You can see URL slug. The slug is already enabled. We just want to change it to make it shorter. Because this isn't a full post, it is already short, and you will see another slug change in a moment when we actually add content and make a new blog. Click in the box. If there's any text in the box, delete it. Type a new slug for the post, making sure to separate words with hyphens. So we could say test blog. Remember that this must be unique because we cannot repeat a slug that has already been used, and we will follow the same format to change a URL slug for a page. So let's go ahead and update. And now the slug has been saved. You can see the change here. And this would be the URL for this particular post. Let's go back to the dashboard to find pages. Go ahead and click on Pages under the site on the Tools panel to the left and choose a page. We'll go all the way back to the main dashboard. It's a little bit easier to read and navigate. Go to My Sites. Here we go. So click on Site to expand the menu. Click on Pages. Let's choose the Our Shop page. Find the permalink in the editor on the right, and then let's follow the same format. Include hyphens and keep it short. Let's update the URL to say Bike Shop. Make sure to press Update when you are finished. And you can see that the page has been updated. Let's change the permalink for the rest of our pages, so go back. We can go back by clicking on the tab. Click on Site, Pages. We'll do it for the blog. And we want to change this slug to be Bike Blog Update. You can also get back to the main page by clicking on My Sites. We will leave this slug as it is, Contact. That's short and sweet and it's easy to find. So you can follow the same process for your own website or for this website that you created, remembering to keep it short and sweet. Add hyphens. For this one, we want clubs and lessons. So we'll type in clubs lessons and click Update. Let's go back. Finally, the home page. So for this one, we will click in the slug and let's type home. You can see it's changed. Update. And now we have updated all the permalinks for the pages. You also updated a permalink for a blog post. In this task, we updated the permalinks or slugs for our blog posts and pages to make them SEO friendly.